Have you ever heard of Sassy water? We all know that the human body needs at least 8 glasses of water a day, which rounds up to approximately 64 ounces. Obviously, the exact amount of water someone needs varies according to many factors, like lifestyle, physical activities, and metabolism. Watery foods like melon, watermelon, cucumber, etc. are beneficial since they help with daily hydration and maintain fluid balance. As counterintuitive as it sounds, drinking lots of water helps avoid water retention and bloating. So drinking water is more than just quenching your thirst. It also means weight loss. So today we decided to tell you about Sassy water. Have you ever heard about it? Do you know how it promotes weight loss? Created by Cynthia Sass, nutritionist expert in diets and master in public health, it uses simple ingredients with weight loss properties that make Sassy water famous. The water is a vehicle for ginger, lemon, cucumber, and spearmint to release their properties. Let's see why that is. Ginger is a root with thermogenic properties that facilitate fat burn. It also increases diuresis, helping eliminate the excess of liquids and avoiding bloat. Lemon works as a cleaning agent in our bodies, dissolving fats. Besides, it has antiseptic action that acts directly in the stomach and intestine, fighting the bacteria that ferment and cause gas, bloating discomfort, and abdominal distension. Cucumber has very few calories. It boosts metabolism and has a detox action, being also a diuretic. These properties are enough to reduce bloating and eliminate the toxins that build up through poor eating habits. Spearmint, like the other ingredients of this recipe, has thermogenic and diuretic properties. It promotes a healthy weight loss, reduces bloating, accelerates fat burn, and detoxifies the body. Liking the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. It's thanks to these ingredients with complementary properties that Sassy water promotes weight loss. Write down the ingredients. 64 ounces mineral or filtered water, 1 teaspoon of ginger, freshly grated, 1 medium cucumber, peeled and thinly sliced, 1 medium lemon, thinly sliced, 12 spearmint leaves. How to make it? Combine all ingredients and take it to the fridge overnight. The rest period of 10 to 12 hours is necessary to ensure the active principles are slowly released into the water. The following morning, strain the mixture and drink it throughout the day. Don't forget to drink a glass of Sassy water before your main meals. Every night, prepare a new batch for the next day. Remember to change the ingredients daily. Of course, don't forget that you also need to have a healthy diet and practice physical activities to ensure your weight loss is efficient. Sassy water is incredible, but it won't do any miracles alone. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.